But this brisket is more like cake. And the black stuff on the outside, that's the icing.
It's your first time coming here?
It is. We're from Denver, Colorado.
Second.
It's just one of those things that people told us you gotta do, so here we are.
I've never waited more than an hour, but yeah, it's worth the wait.
Every year, Texas Monthly does an article on the best barbecue joints in Texas. This is the famous Franklin barbecue that Texas Monthly featured as the #1 barbecue joint in Texas, I believe last year. I've heard there's a line, but for noon on a cloudy Tuesday afternoon, this is impressive. Down the sidewalk, there's the wood pile, there's a pile of chairs to wait on. I'm not a big fan of lines, so this might be the first and only time that I ever eat here. 2.5?
Yeah.
That's crazy.
You're looking about like an hour, 45-minute wait, and we're only gonna have brisket by the time y'all get up to the counter. Help yourself to drinks upstairs. You can purchase beer, hang out down here. We also have restrooms up there as well. So yeah, just make yourself comfortable.
So can you get an order to go?
Same line for here to go.
Same line. What are the parking spots out back that say like?
For pre-orders, that's about, they start 6 weeks out, and it's about 4 weeks out right now. It's a £5 minimum, $75 deposit. When people do pre-orders, they like to get a couple people in on it, so.
For like catering?
Yeah.
Very nice.
Yeah.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
BYOB friendly, so you can bring your cooler full of beer and stand in line. Like a full-on experience.
Did you bring your own?
We did not. We bought our premises.
I'm
Gotta
here in
double
mine.
taste it.
For sure. Where y'all from?
Houston.
Live in Houston.
So what's the best thing on the menu?
Brisket!
Honestly, the lean brisket tastes like fatty brisket at most other barbecue joints. You get the fatty brisket, and you make brisket and egg tacos next morning. That's incredible.
Take leftovers.
I usually get a pound of each brisket.
You seem like you got plenty of experience. You know what you're talking about. We're up next. Anticipation is killing. So how many pounds of meat do y'all cook every day?
A lot. I mean, raw weight we do like a little over a ton usually.
Wow.
Yeah.
A ton.
It's pretty crazy.
In a week?
No, a day.
A day.
Yeah. That's every single day. Yeah, we made 106 briskets today.
Wow.
That's, you know, there's 2 briskets per cow, so that's 53 cows basically every single day. So 2.5 pounds brisket, quarter potato, quarter beans, 79.06. You want to do
I'm excited. Thank you. And the line continues. We got our brisket. Have a good day. And we're headed to the house. So I'm gonna assume that given it's voted the #1 barbecue joint in Texas by Texas Monthly several times, and that was not a year ago, by the way. I feel very old because it was 5 years ago in 2012. And then the second magazine, I couldn't find the date, but I'm gonna put it on the screen right down. All right, y'all. Taste test. I'm just gonna shut up until we start eating. Hello. Oh, I got food. Made it back. Had a really long line to wait in.
Was it?
Yeah.
Freebirds?
No.
Are you filming these stuff full jalapenos?
No, this was an experience.
Ah.
Have you ever had Franklin's barbecue.
You did that for me?
Yeah.
Really?
Yeah, we're about to feast.
Molly, you want some? Heck yeah.
Hello, Molly. Future movie star. You've never been to Franklin's?
No, I've been wanting to go for a year. And it wasn't until Walk, Love, Laugh came back into my life to fulfill my dreams. This isn't Rudy's that you repackaged, is it?
No. I legitimately have an entire video of standing in line and talking to people for 2 hours.
I believe you.
How many of them were tourists?
Yeah, all of them.
Except for you. Well, I don't know.
I'm kind of a tourist too. I don't know if I'd do that again. We'll see how
It's actually a relatively short wait for them.
Third, look at that. Look at that, look at that.
Smoke
ring, the marbleization.
Beautiful. Is it good?
Molly's like, oh
No,
my
Molly.
God.
None for you.
Think Molly.
Wow.
Think Molly could eat the entire thing.
That like falls apart. I'm gonna say that might be the best brisket I've ever had.
That's what they say. Oh, definitely.
That's our day in Austin. This is the inn. Very legitimate barbecue. Look, I'm cutting Nina off. If you end up, you have 2 hours to spare in Austin, definitely go check them out. They're only open for lunch. They make about 2,000 pounds of brisket, and when it's gone, it's gone.
A day?
Per day.
And they run out every day.
Every day.
So next birthday, Colin Baggett, show up to my house. It's one of these.
30 candles and a big brisket.
Happy birthday, buddy.